Hello everyone, in this video we will learn what are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions that have different numerator and denominator but are equal to the same value. Means this type of fractions have different numerator and denominator but the value of these fraction is same. So let's take an example. Suppose I have a chocolate and I divide it into two equal parts. And out of these two equal parts, I ate one part of this chocolate. So I am shading the one part of this chocolate. So the fraction of the chocolate I have eaten is, because there is two equal parts, so we will write down 2 in denominator, and I ate one part of this chocolate, so we will write down 1 in numerator. So I ate half chocolate of this chocolate. Now let's imagine I divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, now out of these 4 equal part, I ate 2 part of this chocolate. So I am shading 2 part of this chocolate. So the fraction of the chocolate I have eaten is, because there is 4 equal parts, so we will write down 4 in denominator, and I ate 2 part of this chocolate, so we will write down 2 in the numerator. Now these two fractions are showing different numerator and different denominator but showing same amount of chocolate. So we can say that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Now let's imagine I divide this chocolate into 8 equal parts. Okay. Now I am dividing this chocolate into 8 parts. Now out of 8 parts, I ate 4 part of this chocolate. So I am shading 4 part of this chocolate. Now the fraction of the chocolate I have eaten is, because there is 8 equal parts, so we will write down 8 in denominator, and I ate 4 equal part of this chocolate, so we will write down 4 here. Okay. Now this fraction is also have different denominator and different numerator but showing same amount of chocolate. Okay. So we can say that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. So these all are the equivalent fraction which have different numerator and different denominator but showing the same value. To form equivalent fraction of any fractional number, we multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Okay, so we multiply the denominator and numerator of this number by any natural number. Okay, so I am multiplying it by 2. So we will get 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Now to get another equivalent fraction for this number, we will multiply it by 3, means numerator and denominator both multiply by 3. Okay, so 9 by 12. So 9 by 12 is again the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Okay. Now to get next equivalent fraction, we can multiply it by 4. You can multiply it by any natural number like 5, 6, 10, 12, any number. Okay. So we will get 12 by 16. Now to get another equivalent fraction, we will multiply it by 5. Okay. So we will get 15 by 20. So these all are the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4, or we can say that 3 by 4 is equal to 6 by 8, which is equal to 9 by 12, which is equal to 12 by 16, and which is equal to 15 by 20. So these all are the equivalent fraction. They have numerator and denominator different, but they showing the same value. By dividing numerator and denominator with the same number, we can also get equivalent fraction. Okay, let's take an example. We have to find out the equivalent fraction of 72 by 84. Okay, so we will divide 72 by 84 with a common factor. Okay, so 2 is the common factor of 72 and 84. So first we will divide both numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, so after dividing 2, we will get 36 by 42. Okay, so 36 by 42 is an equivalent fraction of 72 by 84. Okay, Now the second common factor between 72, sorry, this is 72 and 84 is 4. Okay, so we will divide it by 4. So we will get 18 by 21. So the 18 by 21 is also an equivalent fraction of 72 by 84. Now next common factor of 72 and 84 is 6. So we can divide it by 6 to get equivalent fraction. So 12 by 14 is also equivalent fraction of 72 by 84. Okay. So we can say that 72 by 84 is equal to 36 by 42, which is equal to 18 by 21, and this is equal to 12 by 14. Okay. So these all are the equivalent fraction of 72 by 84. To check that whether two fractions are equivalent or not, we can do cross multiplication. Suppose we have two fractions a by b and c by d. Okay, so first we will multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. So a into d. Okay, now we will multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. So we will get b into c. Okay, if the result of both multiplication is the same, then this is a equivalent fraction, and the result, if result is not equal to each other, then this fraction is not an equivalent fraction. Okay, so this fraction is equivalent fraction. Now let's try with 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. Okay, so first we will write down both number, then we will do cross multiplication, like we will multiply 3 by 12. So 3 into 12 is equal to 36. Now we will multiply 4 by 9. Okay, so 4 into 9 is equal to 36. So the results are the same. So we can say that 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 12, means this is the equivalent fraction. Clear? Let's check that 3 by 5 and 7 by 8 are equivalent fraction or not. Okay, so what will we do? We will do cross multiplication. So we will multiply 3 by 8. So after multiply this, we will get 24. Then we will multiply 5 by 7. Okay, so 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So the results are not equal to each other. Okay, it means 3 by 5 is not equal to 7 by 8, means they are not an equivalent fraction. Okay.